Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a brand new unboxing from a brand we have never tried before. So if you would like to see what I got, the look I come up with, and my thoughts, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. So guys, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Belinda. I am a self-taught mature makeup artist here on YouTube. I like to do unboxings, tutorials, teaching techniques, skincare. I also do reviews, and I love to cook. So once in a while I will throw in a cooking video here and there. So if that sounds like something that interests you, please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to all so you don't miss an upload. Now let's get into this box. So guys, a palette caught my eye not too long ago, and it was the Unearthly Cosmetics that used to be Alien Cosmetics. All I ever wanted or needed. It's a duochrome palette, and I have been waiting for that to come back in stock, and it wasn't, but they were having a sale, and I got my first Unearthly Alien Cosmetics palette, and we're going to try it out today. I'm really interested in this brand. It does take a little bit to get here because it is just her and her husband, you know, filling orders and shipping and all that, and that's okay. I've heard really good things about this brand, so we're gonna try it out. Oh, that's pretty. The Unearthly Cosmetics Strawberry Milkshake palette. I knew it was something strawberry, but I didn't know exactly what it was. That is such a cute cover. I like that. And this brand is vegan and cruelty free. So here it is. Oh wow. And here is the palette. So you know we're going to do a pink look today, and then it has this awesome yellow and this green and this lime green. It does have a neutral shade to use as a transition, help with blending. So I am really excited to get into this. I do want to do swatches, and it does have a mirror. Oh wow. So here are the swatches. This is the first row here, these first three. This is the second row, and this is the bottom row. I like that one, and these two. They're really pretty shades. It's something that I don't have in a palette, you know, all these shades. So we are going to, not to prime is a crime, and we're going to go in with the Gerard Clean Canvas Eye Base in Fair, and we're going to prime these lids, and we're going to get going into this look. And if you would like to try Gerard Cosmetics, if you have not, this is my ride or die. Cannot live without it. It is a very good primer for mature lid ladies and gentlemen. It does make the eyeshadows pop more pigmented, and it also makes them last all day long, and it makes my lids look so crease free and so crepey free. You've got to try this. We have 4 shades: white, fair, medium, and cocoa, and anyone can wear them. I can even wear the darkest shade. So y'all go down in the description and get you some of this. This is what it looks like. It does have a more runnier consistency, but let me tell you, it only takes just a pinch to do the eyes, and it lasts for so long. I'm not even kidding you. It really goes a long way. Now let me get the other eye and then we'll get started. Ends. These are the Blendbunny cosmetic brushes. There's 5, and I do have a discount code with Blendbunny Cosmetics if you want to check these out. They are for hooded eyelids and for people that like to create and do in-depth eye looks, so you can get into small places and blend them out. Will be down in my description box. So I think I want to start with the color Whip, which is that color. I have no idea what I'm going to create, so I'm just telling you. These are really soft pigments. Okay, I'm going to take this Makeup Geek multi-purpose eye brush, and I'm going to go into topping, which is this pink, and I'm just going to start placing that in my crease. And kind of right here. Now I'm going to take the Blendbunny B1. I'm just going to start going in small circular motions at the top of that color just to blend that out, so we have no harsh lines. Y'all, my Glam Light Michaela X Pot 2 is on its way. I cannot wait for it to get here. I think it's going to be here by the end of the week. I'm going to dip back into a little bit of Whip. Go back in one more time with the topping. Just pat that in. Now I'm going to go in with a Blendbunny B2. This is the size of the brush, and I am going to dip into this color right here, which is Juicy. And I'm going to take it right here in the outer third. And I'm going to start going toward the crease. And I am going in little circular motions. It's a pretty shade. Bubba over here snoring away. Now I'm going to go back in. I'm going to go in with B1, and I'm going to start blending into that crease. So, how was everybody's weekend? Okay, so now I'm going to take just the back of this brush that I went in with that pink, just to tap those edges in just a little bit, so maybe it won't be harsh. There we go. And we'll do a little bit right here. This is the side I went in with. This side doesn't have hardly any pigment on it. So it's just getting a little bit of that. So it'll have like a little bit of a wash of pink. Now, what shimmer to go in with? That red's just pigment stain. I really like this one and this one. I like them all, but I might use this in the inner corner. Right there. Yeah. I'm going to bring that red shimmer right here and into the crease, because I did go in with that red. And now I'm just going to pick up my brush that I did that color with and go above that, make sure it's all blended out. Now I'm going to take this brush on the other side and I'm going to pat that shimmer out just a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with that one in the front. I might go in with that purple too, because this is a little dark. Now I'm going to go in with the purple and go into the front. I'm going to just kind of lighten this up just a little bit. And I'm just kind of blending with my fingers. And we are going to go in with a pretty high wing today. What do we think? Oh my gosh, these are going to stain so badly. Woo, I mean, so badly. I'm going to take a teeny tiny brush. I'm going to put some makeup mist on it. And I'm going to dip into that green, which is fresh. And I'm going to pop that right here in the inner corner. Okay, so now I'm going to go over and I'm going to finish up the other eye, and then I'll be back to show you the end of the look and what I think about this palette. Okay guys, I am back. This is the finished look. I went in with the same colors on the bottom lash line. I did the dark, or the light pink and the dark red, and blended them out, and then I went in with a black pencil and then blended that out, put on my Blendbunny lashes in Wings. I'm wearing the Benefit Cosmetics Sugar Bomb blush, and I'm wearing Cookie highlighter. And for my lip, this is a first time ever me in a pink lip. This is, where'd it go? This is Coachella from Gerard Cosmetics. It's a lip liner, brought it all the way in, and then put a little bit of skinny dip in the middle, tapped that out really nice, cleaned it up. Then I went in with the Nomad Cosmetics purple gloss. I thought it would go good with the purple that I had going on, and then the little pop of lime green in the inner corner. So let me know down in the comments what you think about this look. And I'm going to tell you what I think of this palette. Just wow. These pigments are pressed so hard. But they still come out well. But what I'm saying is there's no hardly kickback at all in the pan. And you seen that I had my face done. I always do my face before my eyes. I've never used this brand, but I did not have a bit of fallout, not even with the shimmers. This is so beautiful, so pigmented. I know this one felt these two felt more similar than these two right here, but it's a cute little palette, and there's several looks that you could do from this palette. You could work with the greens, you could do pinks and purple. I thought about doing this color, and that was it, but I had to dip into this, and I wanted to use this red shimmer, this one, and this one. So I used almost every color in the palette except for 3. And I really think Unearthly Cosmetics is a very good indie brand, because these blended out like a dream. It looks amazing on the eyes, I think. I did go in with a higher wing than I usually do. And I was going to go in with the Vices, the only pair I have, by Blendbunny lashes, but it was just too much. And I didn't want to take away from the eye look. So let me know down in the comments, have you ever tried Unearthly Cosmetics? And if you have, what do you think of them? And do you like this look that I created? If you do, please tell me down in the comments. And I guess that'll be the end of this video. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature Southern lady from the South, then please hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.